every year cats and dogs are safely carried to destinations around the world. This video features the special handling of these pets at the KLM Cargo Animal Hotel at Amsterdam Airport Schiphol, an official port of entry to the European Union. Special cargo staff are standing by when the animals arrive at Amsterdam Airport Schiphol. Using the appropriate equipment, the pets are immediately transferred to the animal hotel. At KLM Cargo, we understand that cats and dogs can become a little restless when travelling. We are therefore dedicated in making their journey as stress-free as possible. That means providing comfort for the entire flight. At the Animal Hotel, specially trained staff provide a service that is unique in the airline business: the KLM Cargo Dog Walking Service. The Animal Hotel does not only look after the cats and dogs in transit at Amsterdam Airport Schiphol. The care of animals being exported from the Netherlands is equally important.
Hello.
Contact is first made with our customer service department at Amsterdam Airport Schiphol. A customer service employee will make a reservation based on the details received concerning the pet's size, weight and age. Customer service will also provide information on the appropriate certificates required, applicable health regulations, and of course, advice on the purchase of the proper sky kennel. Pets must be delivered to the Animal Hotel 5 hours prior to departure. Only cats and dogs of 10 weeks or older are eligible to travel with KLM Cargo. Special documentation in accordance with the regulations of the designated country is also required. This documentation must include a valid health certificate signed by a qualified veterinarian and a valid rabies inoculation certificate. At the Animal Hotel, specially trained attendants look after our canine and feline passengers. Before travelling, the kennel is thoroughly cleaned. The cat or dog will be temporarily housed in a larger kennel and fed and watered. Pet and kennel are now ready for departure. A specially designed sky kennel is available to ensure that the journey is as comfortable as possible. It is very important to choose the right size kennel. Our staff run through a special checklist before live animals are accepted for flight with KLM Cargo. The aim is to make sure that the kennel is up to standard. KLM Cargo uses specially designed vehicles to transport the animals to and from the aircraft. In order to provide optimum travelling conditions, the pet will make its journey in a well-lit and ventilated compartment of the aircraft, where the temperature and pressure levels are carefully controlled. The expertise and dedication of our animal attendants, plus unrivaled accommodation and inspection facilities, make the Animal Hotel the perfect stopover for live animals. For more information, you can visit our website at www.klmcargo.com.